Hello everyone, my name is Ananya and I'm from first year ECE branch. My startup company is Facetech Fusion and product present name is lipstick and product proposed name is Evolulips. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as said by the customers during the empathizing activity. To see some cool advancements like color changing lipsticks that adjust based on our outfit or mood should keep our lips healthy and hydrated. Define based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and requirements of customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name lipstick, futuristic product name Evolve Lips. Some of the additional features to be added are mentioned here. Enhancing the longevity of the color changing effect so that it stays vibrant for an extended period. Infusing the lipstick with moisturizing ingredients like shea butter or vitamin E to keep lips hydrated and smooth. Incorporating SPF to protect the lips from harmful UV rays while adding a layer of color. Allowing customers to customize their lipstick tubes with names or designs for a personalized touch. This is the prototype. Testing. I request the viewers of the presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.